Welcome to the mHealth Labs Anesthesia Checklist Project. This was a collaboration between the Department of Anesthesiology and the University of Pennsylvania School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. The names below for the participants are in the YouTube link below. This was a project aimed at affecting the way that anesthesiologists currently set up the operating room. There is not a standardized checklist in place, and there's often 30 or 40 steps done from memory. So the overall problem that we were trying to solve in this project was delays in the OR due to mistakes or forgetting certain parts of the setup, as well as improving outcomes or complications for patients. In general, we designed this web app to be fully modifiable, such that anesthesiologists and CRNAs can go ahead and add new checklists, and this is an overall tool that can be used both for training and current attending anesthesiologists and CRNAs. If you see at the top here, you have the ability to add new checklists, add new categories, so you can assign a checklist to a category or a type of surgery, and we'll show this on the user side. You can modify existing checklists, and you can kind of choose your categories and choose a specific surgery, so you can assign different types of setup, different types of surgeries. You can also delete and edit checklists as you go as well. You can add and remove OR. Currently we've set up about 1 through 80 ORs, but you can add and delete them as you go. And in case it's the first case, you can also provide a message for things that were required in the first case of the operating room, such as setting up the machines and calibrating them and things like that. From the user side, we can go here to the main menu. We can select our OR. We can select the case. We'll say this is the first case today. We can go ahead and say we want cardiac surgery. And then in terms of this, we will say a valve replacement. We can then go through and we can select and check off all the steps. These are the different sections, and again, this is fully modifiable. So we can kind of go through, check off all the sections. If I tried to go on without completing all the sections, it would not let me. And so this is just kind of a safety feature we have in place. We can then go ahead and complete it. And if there's a special request, we need an extra tube of sorts. We can say that. And at this point, we can then go back to the dashboard. And this shows the setup in progress for the OR that we just chose, as well as the special request that we have. When that special request is completed, we can remove it from the list, and then we can go ahead and say we are ready for surgery. And then once we're starting surgery, we can go ahead and start, such that people can always see what the current progress is for the surgery. And that is the mHealth Labs Anesthesia project. Thank you.